grab a drink. I always do that. Okay. Hello, I'm George Rieke, and I'm on the board of directors for AIA Pittsburgh and also serve as co-chair of the AIA Pittsburgh Committee on the Environment. This year, architects were asked to think about the framework for design excellence and include them into their Design Pittsburgh submission. So what is the framework for design excellence and why is it important? Last year was a transformative year for the architecture profession. At the 2019 National Convention, the American Institute of Architects adopted the Resolution for Urgent and Sustained Climate Action, embarking our profession on a journey to holistically address climate change for years to come. Subsequently, the AIA Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct was updated to include new rules which require architects to consider environmental impacts and to include new standards which pose recommendations for addressing specific priorities in environmental equity and justice, energy and water conservation, building materials, ecosystems, and climate change. As a result, the architect's duty to protect the health, safety, and welfare of the public now has a much broader meaning. The AIA will be engaging its members through a multi-year strategy of education, practice, advocacy, and outreach to advance the resolution and its principles. As one of the first steps, AIA developed the framework for design excellence to help architects with the call to action and to strive to be a better professional through 10 guiding principles that point towards a zero-carbon, equitable, resilient, and healthy built environment. The framework intends to be a practical, accessible, and relevant toolkit for every architect, every client, and every project, regardless of size, typology, and aspiration. The 10 principles are: design for integration. Good design elevates any project, no matter how small, with a thoughtful process that delivers both beauty and function and balance. It is the element that binds all the principles together with a big idea. Design for equitable communities. Design solutions affect more than the client and current occupants. Good design positively impacts future occupants and the larger community. Design for ecosystems. Good design mutually benefits human and non-human inhabitants. Design for water. Good design conserves and improves the quality of water as a precious resource. Design for economy. Good design adds value for owners, occupants, community, and planet, regardless of project size and budget. Design for energy. Good design reduces energy use and eliminates dependence on fossil fuels while improving building performance, function, comfort, and enjoyment. Design for well-being. Good design supports health and well-being for all people, considering physical, mental, and emotional effects on building occupants and the surrounding community. Design for resources. Good design depends on informed material selection, balancing priorities to achieve durable, safe, and healthy projects with an equitable, sustainable supply chain to minimize possible negative impacts on the planet. Design for change. Adaptability, resilience, and reuse are essential to good design, which seeks to enhance usability, functionality, and value over time. Design for discovery. Every project presents a unique opportunity to apply lessons learned from the previous projects and gather information to refine design process. We architects must recognize that our profession can leverage the power of design to find solutions that help solve some of the most significant needs of our time. The goal of the framework for design excellence is to challenge architects with a vision of what the profession strives to achieve and provide us with the resources to achieve this vision.